Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Eero mesh network settings after firmware updates. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Eero app is updated to the latest version on your mobile device. Open the Eero app and sign in using your account credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can view all your Eero devices. Select the menu icon located in the top left corner of the app screen. Scroll down and tap on Network Settings. Look for the Advanced section and tap on it. Here, you will find the option to view current firmware versions for your Eero devices. Before performing a backup, take note of the current settings and configurations you wish to save. While Eero does not offer a direct backup feature, you can manually document these settings. Use a pen and paper or a digital note to record your network name, password, and any custom configurations. In case of adjustments needed post-update, you now have a reference to restore your settings. Once you've documented everything, you can go ahead and check for available firmware updates. Return to the main dashboard and tap on Firmware Updates in the same Network Settings menu. Follow the prompts to download and install any updates available for your Eero devices. After the firmware update is complete, it's crucial to check your settings. Return to the network settings and confirm that all details remain accurate. If something appears off, refer to your earlier documentation to make the necessary adjustments. Remember to reconnect any devices that may have lost connection during the update process. Regularly checking for firmware updates helps keep your network secure and running smoothly. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Eero mesh network remains optimized after each firmware update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.